Hello guys, my name is Bernard Kwesi Kwesen, a student of the Ghana Communication Technology University, pursuing the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology and currently in level 300. I'd like to give a short freestyle on I will lift up your name high with the Ateteben. So yes, this is it, Ateteben. I will lift up your name high. I hope you all know this popular song. Yeah. So let me give a freestyle. You know. So when I say I will lift up your name, then you say higher. I know you can't respond, but then you say higher in your brain. Higher, I will lift up your name. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. So please kindly subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, Samset GH. Yeah. Please follow us for more videos. We'll give more freestyles. So please kindly follow us.